Hey everyone, Zain here, and today we're going to review Finello.com. It's a platform that has been gaining a lot of attention in 2025. First off, what is Finello.com? Finello is an online platform that offers a variety of financial services. They aim to provide users with an easy to use interface for managing their personal finances. Think of it as your digital financial assistant, user interface, and experience. Finello.com has a clean and intuitive design, making it easy for beginners and experienced users alike. The dashboard is well organized, showing your financial overview at a glance. Navigation is smooth, with all the main features accessible from the home page. Key features. Now, here are some key features. Number one, budget tracking. You can set up your budget and track your expenses in real time. Number two, bill management. Finello helps you keep track of your bills, ensuring you never miss a due date. Number three, savings goals. You can set specific savings goals, and Finello will help you stay on track. Number four, and finally, investment options. While we want to go into trading, Finello offers some investment tools for those looking to grow their wealth. Security measures. Security is a major concern when it comes to financial platforms. Finello.com uses top tier encryption to protect your data. They also offer two factor authentication for an added layer of security. Plus, their privacy policy is transparent, which is always a plus. Pros and cons. Like any platform, Finel.com has its pros and cons. For the pros, we have user-friendly interface, comprehensive financial tools, and strong security measures. While for the cons, some features might be overwhelming for new users, and premium services can be a bit pricey. Speaking of pricing, Finello offers a free version with basic features. However, for more advanced tools, you'll need to subscribe to their premium plan. Prices vary, so make sure you check their website for the most up-to-date information. And that's all for today's review. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and leave us a good comment down below. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.